Chri TV. It's Chri TV. Welcome back to Chri TV. Come learn with me today. Listen to the word. Spell it.
Jacket, jacket, jacket.
No, that's not right. Great job.
Jacket, jacket, jacket.
Listen to the word. Spell it.
Hundred, hundred, hundred.
No, that's not right. Great job.
Hundred, hundred, hundred.
Listen to the word. Spell it.
Chipmunk, chipmunk, chipmunk.
No, that's not right. Great job.
Chipmunk, chipmunk, chipmunk.
Listen to the word. Spell it.
Comet, comet, comet.
No, that's not right. Great job.
Comet, comet, comet.
Listen to the word. Spell it.
Magnet, magnet, magnet.
No, that's not right. Great job.
Picnic, picnic, picnic.
Listen to the word. Spell it.
Hit, hit, hit.
No, that's not right. Great job.
Picnic, picnic, picnic.
Listen to the word. Spell it.
ticket, ticket, ticket.
No, that's not right. Great job.
Ticket, ticket, ticket.
Listen to the word. Spell it.
Dentist, dentist, dentist.
No, that's not right. Great job.
Dentist, dentist, dentist.
Listen to the word. Spell it.
Laptop, laptop, laptop.
No, that's not right. Great job.
Laptop, laptop, laptop.
Listen to the word. Spell it.
Trumpet, trumpet, trumpet.
No, that's not right. Great job.
Trumpet, trumpet, trumpet.
Listen to the word. Spell it.
Napkin, napkin, napkin.
No, that's not right. Great job.
Napkin, napkin, napkin.
Listen to the word. Spell it.
Pigpen, pigpen, pigpen.
No, that's not right. Great job.
Pigpen, pigpen, pigpen.
Kids must be healthy to be educated, and educated to be healthy. Thanks for watching 𝗓𝗙𝗏 TV, and if you enjoyed learning with me, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.